I am very fond of beautiful things. I always wanted to search for unbelievable and unexpected things and clicking pictures of the things. Do you know, I always wanted to see some unexpected world or places which can only be imagined in our virtual world. But after so much of searching, I got some of the places which cannot expected in the physical world. But they really exist. They can only be expected in fairy tales. Hey guys, welcome to Superworld YouTube channel. How you all are doing? I hope you all are fine. Now, just take a deep breath and be ready to go to the unbelievable places that you haven't expected in a real world. So, let's get started. Number 10. Tunnel of Love, Ukraine. This magical place is found in Klavin, Ukraine. It is a 1.8-mile long tunnel of luscious green leaves that looks like something straight out of a dream or a movie. This tunnel is actually a passageway for a private train that delivers wood to a local factory 3 times a day. The tunnel was made many years ago, and the regular passage of the train has shaped and molded the tree lines at the edges. This natural architecture shows how beautiful it can be when Mother Nature is allowed to grow freely on and around a man-made structure. Number 9. The Black Forest, Germany. Located in the suburbs of western Germany in the Baden-Württemberg, a town famous for its high-precision cuckoo clocks and its beautiful scenery, the Black Forest looks as though it was taken from a fairy tale. Tourists from all over the world flock here yearly to see the beauty and the mystery that abounds in this wooded mountain range where the Danube River originates. Number 8. Tianzi Mountain, China. People who have climbed Tianzi Mountain will not climb any other mountains. This is a comment often heard from the people who have reached the peak of Tianzi Mountain, which is located in the Wulingyuan Scenic Area in the Hunan province. This magical and magnificent spot offers a panoramic view of the entire Wulingyuan area. The name Tianzi originated from a local farmer, Xiang Dakun, who led the farmers' revolt and called himself Tianzi, which means son of heaven. Number 7. The Door to Hell, Turkmenistan. The Door to Hell is situated in Darvaj, a village in Turkmenistan located in the middle of the Karakum Desert. Darvaj's 350 inhabitants are semi-nomadic and were disbanded by the President of Turkmenistan in 2004 after he stated that they were an unpleasant sight to tourists. Number 6. Trees cocooned in spider webs, Pakistan. Heavy monsoon rains flooded 1/5 of the total land area of Pakistan in 2010. As a result, millions of spiders sought refuge in the trees, especially those that lined the farms and rivers in the village of Sindh. Because the water was slow to recede, these arachnids established their homes in the trees and managed to completely enrobe them with their silky waves in the process. The people of Sindh admitted that this was their first time witnessing such a phenomenon. Number 5. Fly Glacier, USA. Fly Glacier is a small geothermal glacier located in Washoe County, Nevada. It is 12 feet tall if you include the continuously growing mount on which it sits. It is privately owned by Todd Jaksic, the owner of Fly Ranch, meaning that visiting without permission is considered trespassing. You have been warned. Fly Glacier is not an entirely natural phenomenon. Just like the Door to Hell in Darvaj, Fly Glacier is the product of a human mistake. It was accidentally created in 1964 by a company in search of a geothermal source of energy. Number 4. Mount Roraima, South America. Mount Roraima is the highest of the Pacaraima chain of Tepuy Plateaus in South America and is known to be one of the oldest geological formations on Earth, dating back to the Precambrian period. It marks the place where the borders of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana meet. The flora and fauna on these tabletop mountains are endemic to the area, and it rains almost every day. Number 3. The Enchanted River, Philippines. The Hinachuan River, popularly known as the Enchanted River, is currently one of the cleanest in the Philippines. The natural bluish pool is 50 to 80 meters deep and flows directly to the Pacific Ocean. The deepest part is said to have strong sea currents connected to a trench, which is why the water there is salty. A lot of people say photos of this place are photoshopped, but such is the essence of Enchanted River. It is clear to the point of being unbelievable. The enchanted river was so named because of the consistent local belief that it is a dwelling place for ethereal beings such as fairies and elves. Number 2. The glowing shores of Vadhu, Maldives. The beaches of Vadhu in the Maldives resemble a sea of stars at night due to the spectacular bluish-white glow sparkling along their shores. This shimmering seems to mirror the star-studded sky at night, and one would definitely be lost in the enchantment and magic upon seeing this phenomenon. These mesmerizing shimmers come from the luminescent plankton found in the waters near shores. And the most beautiful number 1, Glen Brittle, Isle of Skye, Scotland. Glen Brittle is a large glen on Scotland's Isle of Skye. It is surrounded by the highest mountains on the Skye, known as the Cuillin. Many tributaries flow down from these mountains into the glen, including the spectacular stream and waterfalls known as the fairy pools. There is also a sandy beach at the southernmost point of the glen that is very popular among tourists, hikers and bikers. So, how you all are feeling, guys? Isn't this video refreshing your mind? Then what you're waiting for? Go and share these places with your friends and families. I wish I could visit those places, but I will try my best. And you must also try to visit those places once in your life. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel till now, then please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified with our upcoming videos. And also guys, don't forget to comment down below which place you like the most. See you with our next video. Thanks for watching.